Okay, this is the switch all broken down. Okay, so I'm going to put it together. This is the switch all broken down. I'm going to go ahead and put together that. It's there. And so contact, it'll start the, it'll go ahead and turn the light on, close door, open door, open, closed, open, closed. Okay. And that's what this does. This has these little notches there, and then these little notches fit in there. And I think I'm going to try my luck. I'm going to see if just by cleaning the little notches, if that'll go ahead and fix the problem. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go ahead and put some solder in one of them or whatever. But it should work. Let's see. Snaps into place. And there you have it. So, there it is, fully assembled. For some reason, looks like this side, I'm going to connect it to this contact instead. Like it was on the other one, but just see how it looks offset right there. And it looks like it makes better contact there, so that's what I'm going to do. You can hear that it makes contact. So, went ahead and connected it. Now, just a matter of putting it away. It's working so far. It's just with all the commotion, something's making something, some contact with something. Let's see. Hard to work with one hand. Okay, and it's on. Looks like it works. Let's try it out. Closed door, open door. Closed, open door. Woo! Disco! Alright. Woo! Cool. Yeah, woo! So all the switches are pretty much the same for the two front doors and the side door. And then obviously the back door switch is different, and I posted that video before. So there you have it.